Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is beta first kind distribution. In this topic, we are going to learn a special case of beta first kind distribution. So let us start with what is the special case of beta first kind distribution. Statement: when m and n, the parameters of beta first kind, are made equal to 1, then the beta first kind distribution becomes an uniform distribution over the interval 0 and 1. So we shall prove it. So let us start with the proof. We know that the PDF of beta first kind with parameters m and n is f of x is equal to 1 upon beta m n x raised to m minus 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 for 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. If we put m equal to n equal to 1 in the PDF, then we will get fx equal to 1 upon beta 1 x raised to 1 minus 1 and 1 minus x raised to 1 minus 1. So it is only 1 upon beta 1 x raised to 0 and 1 minus x raised to 0. We know that something raised to 0 is always 1. So the PDF becomes 1 upon beta 1 for 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. Here I shall use the relation between gamma and beta. So this can be written as 1 upon gamma 1 divided by gamma 1 plus 1. As we have already learned in the previous lectures, beta mn is equal to gamma m gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. So it is 1 by gamma 1 divided by gamma 2. So which is equal to gamma 2 divided by gamma 1 into gamma 1. As gamma n is equal to n minus 1 factorial, so this can be written as gamma 2 is written as 1 factorial and gamma 1 is 0 factorial into 0 factorial. So which is equal to 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 1. So it is 1 for 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. Hence we get the PDF fx equal to 1 for 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. And we observe that this PDF f of x equal to 1 for x lies between 0 and 1 is nothing but the probability density function of uniform distribution over the interval 0 and 1. Hence the beta first kind distribution reduces to uniform distribution over the range 0 and 1 when we make the two parameters of beta first kind distribution m and n equal to 1. Hence the result. This is the special case of beta first kind distribution, or one can say that this is the relation between beta first kind distribution and a uniform distribution over the interval 0 and 1. In this way, in this lecture, we learn what is the relation between uniform 0, 1 and beta first kind, and we also derive the relation between them. In the previous lectures, we have already learned many more concepts from beta first kind distribution. If a student want to learn all that lectures, then link of that playlist is given in the description box, and one can learn the lectures by clicking on the I button at the top right corner of the screen. And further, students are requested to subscribe Learn Statistics channel, share with your friends in order to get the notifications of the upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.